In the name of God, and peace and blessings be upon the messenger of God, our master, our father Muhammad. May the best and most complete prayers and peace be upon him. Welcome to the summary of the first unit of the course on infrastructure and cloud computing services. First, we will identify the objectives of this unit, which is to determine the importance of the cloud computing specialization. Importance of cloud computing. Determining the significance of the cloud computing specialization. I will explain computing and its benefits, involving understanding the concept and its advantages. This includes distinguishing between traditional and cloud computing infrastructure. It will cover the types of service delivery models for cloud computing, which includes 4 types. This will help us identify the different service delivery models for cloud computing. This involves identifying the difference between traditional computing infrastructure and cloud computing infrastructure. It also includes understanding the types of service delivery models for cloud computing, which, as we mentioned, are 4 types. This involves identifying the types of service delivery models for cloud computing, types public, community, private, hybrid. Then after that, we will enjoy discussing the broad development model, which includes various types of cloud hosting, whether it's public or general, or it could be community or shared or private or hybrid or different. Cloud hosting is a type of work that is public or general, whether it is public or general, shared or private, hybrid, shared or different, or shared. After that, I will explain the enabling technologies involved in cloud computing, which involves discussing the technologies related to cloud computing services. This is the content of this unit. Following that, we will create a mind map, and then we will move on to the importance of this lecture. Then we will move on to the official definition of cloud computing, along with some examples found in the cloud. After that, we will discuss the differences and comparisons between the term cloud computing and what is known as utility computing, or we can refer to it as build computing operations. Next, there is a comparison between traditional computer infrastructure and cloud infrastructure. After that, there is a summary of the 10 rules of cloud computing, which can be found in this image or on this slide. We move on to defining service models, cloud-based service models, SaaS, meaning software as a service, PaaS, meaning platform as a service, and IaaS, meaning infrastructure as a service, metal as a service. This summarizes these models, their contents, and management. Next, we discuss the deployment, hosting, and operational models for the cloud. We have 4 models: public, the general model. This is a summary of all these service models. Next, we discuss deployment, hosting, and operational models for the cloud. There are 4 models: public, community, private, and hybrid. Community cloud uses shared applications across organizations. Private cloud is a network for specific customers or employees. Hybrid model combines public and private cloud services. This often involves using public applications. Next, there's the private cloud, a network created by an organization. Then the hybrid model combines services from both public and private clouds, comparing scalability, security, performance, reliability, and cost. Finally, technologies like virtualization enable cloud computing. Next, we have a private cloud, a private network. Often this network is created by an organization to provide services specifically for its customers or employees. Then, a hybrid model uses part of the services in a public format and part being private. Scalability, security, performance, reliability, and cost are compared. Key technologies enabling cloud computing, like virtualization. This is a summary of this unit. This is the benefit of comparing these types, and also with several options, for example, scalability, which is the possibility of expansion, security, performance, which is performance, reliability, and cost, which is the cost. Then, in the end, people offer several technologies that fully activate the personal computer, such as virtualization or virtualization tools. This is referred to as rapid or easy provisioning. We mentioned that this is a summary of this unit where we talked about the importance of cloud computing and its key benefits, highlighting surface models, cloud deployment, and the technologies used. Thank you for listening, and may you be safe under God's protection. Cloud computing and its most important benefits, highlighting surface models, cloud deployment, and the technologies used. Thank you for listening, and may you be safe under God's protection.